Hey guys, Roland here, and I hope you're having a great day. And today we're going to talk about a couple of things. Well, three things mainly. Three things and then five broken down into one of them. So anyways, talking about my Casio G-Shock GMA-S110 MC, number one. And then also talking about the 5 reasons, which is the 5 broken down into the number 1. But anyways, 5 reasons that you should own a G-Shock. And number 3, my 2 new Casios that I just got. So, alright, so excited, so much to talk about. So, first and foremost, we are close to 100 subscribers. Once I hit that 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away my Casio Duro, which you'll see the link to that video right up here, and a picture of the Duro hopefully right over here if I can get the editing part of this video right. But the Casio Duro giveaway is going to be happening. I'm going to be giving that watch away. Check out that video. You see how to win it. You don't need to buy anything. You just comment on that video. You'll see it when you watch the video. Hopefully you like it and subscribe to my videos so you can catch more of them. Make sure you hit the notification bell. But to start off today, rocking my Casio G-Shock 35th anniversary in Glacier clear color. So awesome. I'm gonna do a review on this one as soon as I get a chance, but this was a gift. I love it. Thank you very much. You know who you are. And this is the Casio GMA-S110 MC. I'm going to put some close-up videos of it, and it is gorgeous with this beautiful midnight color that has like a candy flake paint job. Looks almost like a lowrider, right? Like the paint, it's just so beautiful with that candy flake sparkle coming through on the blue. It's got analog hands that are beveled and cut out with a really neat industrial look, and then it has digital displays in the background. It's about 44 millimeters wide, almost 15 millimeters thick. It's a little bit thicker. It wears fairly well because it's super duper light. But yeah, the G-Shock, I mean, they're amazing. Been around for 35 some odd years. In 83 came out. I think it was Kikuo Ebay. He's the one that had developed it in Japan when he accidentally dropped his father's watch, his father's pocket watch, and it broke. So he started to create a quartz movement, wrapped him inside of a little shell, padded, and then put plastic housing and all that around it, and made it to where you can withstand a serious drop. So G-Shock was invented in 83, and it's been around for a little over 35 years, I believe 36, 37 years, and it's just been an amazing staple in durability ever since then. And I'm one of those people that really never thought that the G-Shock was, you know, I didn't really think of it as that. I just thought it was just another cheapo Casio watch. And then I started really digging into them a few years back and realizing that they're very good quality, anti-magnetic. I mean, so many functions and features, but they're just great watches. I was always in the mindset of, you know, gravitating towards your Luminox because I know the Navy SEALs wore that, or Hamilton Khaki because it's, you know, a field watch. It's supposed to be tough and durable, or even something like your Victorinox Inox, which is a tough as nails watch that they run over with a tank to prove how tough it is. So the G-Shock, though, is capable of a lot of those same things. It can withstand high temperatures. By the way, this is bringing me to my first point, which is durability. You buy one of these mainly because you want something that's tough as nails that you can just beat it up and it'll take a beating and it'll keep on running. And durability is what these guys have in spades. So they come with what they call the 1010 guarantee. If you don't know what that is, I'm going to explain it real quick. That means it's able to withstand 10 meters or 3-story drop, right? That's the first 10. Second 10 is that it is capable of going to 10 bar, which means 100 meters of water resistance. This one's rated at 200. And the third 10 is a 10-year battery. These are the things that make it super, super sturdy and durable, right? But these are just the things that it's rated at. They have to make it be able to hit that because that's their guarantee, right? So if there's a few YouTube videos out there that show this thing getting dropped from 6-7 stories, and there's also a video showing it going up to 400 meters of water resistance. That's twice of what it's rated at. And then there's also people that constantly talk about how they haven't changed the watch battery on theirs in 15 years. So that's that's the 1010 and beyond. So just know that if you're getting it and you're aware of the 1010 guarantee, it's going to go above and beyond that. A lot of military people wear these, a lot of officers wear these, a lot of your people that are into tactical stuff wear G-Shocks because of the fact that they are so durable and they are accurate. They tell great time, which is number 2. You get it because that solid rockin' quartz movement that Casio has developed over years to be accurate and lose as little as 1 second a week. In some cases, some people say 1.5 seconds in a month, that it's either fast or slow. Amazing time telling. So that's something you don't have to worry about. That's number 2. Number 3 on my list is going to be functionality, all the stuff that it can do. So there's G-Shocks out there that have ability to tell time in every single time zone. They have a compass, they have a barometer, an altimeter, they have a thermometer built into it, they have multiple alarms, stopwatch, timer, backlight. I mean, they have so many functions. You can just dig into them and just keep on messing with all the different stuff that it can do for hours, and it just seems like it never stops. So functionality, that's a major plus in my book, because there are times that my work has had me going to Atlanta. It's nice to have something where you just beep beep and it goes straight to that time zone that you want. Yes, you can do that on a regular watch, but you're having to constantly keep messing with the hands and dials and keep on playing with that. So I think that that's pretty awesome. So time telling features, tells great time, and functionality off the charts with all the stuff that it can do, and durability. So those 3 things are so far are great pluses, right? But number 4, style. I mean, look at that midnight blue with that beautiful candy flake. Look at the gold right here with the clear band. I mean, they have so many cool colors. You can match it with almost any outfit. Lots of movie stars also wear them. Rappers, actresses, athletes. So, cool factor, style, right? That's going to be your number 4. And you can have that style at a great price, which brings me to number 5, which is price. You can get a G-Shock for as low as $39 on Kohl's. That's how much I paid for this one. I'm going to open up in a second here so you can see it. $39 on Kohl's, and you got yourself a G-Shock. You can get them for as little as $50-$60 for some really cool ones that have an interesting color. So you just got to hunt them down a little bit. But price factor, if you are wearing your G-Shock and it does last you for 10 years and you only paid $50 for it, I mean, come on, you got a stellar deal. So if it breaks down after that many years, you could just toss it and go grab another one, knowing that you were only out $50. And I'm all about a bargain. So bargains. Speaking of which, I'm going to take you to the 2 watches that I recently just got. I'm going to pull my other camera over here so we can get a little close-up view of it. But those are the 5 things that I say are the main reason why you should, or anybody should, have a G-Shock. You got your durability, you got your functionality, you got your stellar timekeeping, style, which is really cool, and of course, lastly, is your price. So great reasons to get a G-Shock. And then the 2 new ones that I got are also important, because one of them is going to be the Casio Royale. That's right, from the James Bond movie. In fact, the James Bond one actually was a Seiko, and Casio decided to come out with a watch that looked very similar to that Seiko, and everybody calls it the Casio Royale. It's not the Casio Royale, it's the AE 1200 WHD 1 Alpha Victor CV. Basically, it's just a cool watch, right? And then I also got the G-Shock. This G-Shock is important because I'm going to throw this bad boy off of a 6-story parking garage and see if it breaks. It's going to be my little test, right? I want to prove that it's capable of withstanding that kind of fall. So, first things first, I'm going to open up the Casio Royale. And this is a cool watch. Box it came in, and these both came from Kohl's. So I got them for a very good deal. They packaged them pretty well too. Look at that. I'm literally unboxing it right now for you guys. So, ooh, exciting. Nice. That is the Casio Royale. As you can see, it's got the little map of the world right here, time right here. Awesome. Let's get a little shot of it right here up closer there for you guys. This is the Casio ROYALE. I know I keep saying that. I just think it sounds cool. But anyways, there's a ton of videos on YouTube. I'm going to do a full review of this one later on when I get a chance. But oh man, I love that. It is so awesome. Metal band. We're going to go over that later. I'm not going to do a full review right now. And then also the other one I got here was the Casio G-Shock. And once again, Kohl's did a pretty good job. I don't know if this is a Kohl's thing or if this is the way they actually package them up. If you can see that right there, they protect it pretty well. I think that's pretty awesome. Anyways, so yeah, they protect it pretty well. Pull this wrapper off, and there we go. Ooh, that's a pretty nice one right there. This little guy looks pretty sharp. Nice colors, and it has a really nice nylon band, so it's got a nice feel to it. Man, this is a pretty sharp watch. I like this one. Looks good. I say this is a pretty, this would be like a little keeper right here. I like that. And the backlight function on this one is pretty awesome. Huh? How's that? Check this out, guys. Let's see the backlight function. Ready? If we can get it to light up. Block this light a little bit right here so you guys can see, because I know that light is bright. Ooh, pretty nice. Let's see that again. Ping. It lights up pretty good. So yeah, this is the one that I'm going to chunk off the roof. So we shall see what it looks like after it's done. I'm going to put a little bit of, you know, saran wrap, just one layer, so it doesn't scratch up so much, because I still want to wear it. So I'm gonna put one layer of saran wrap, and then I'm gonna chunk it off of the roof and see how it survives, or see if it survives. I think it will. There's videos of people chunking these things off 12 stories, so we'll see what the happens is with this guy. But yeah, there you go. That is the entire review today. Super simple and quick. I appreciate you guys watching. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell down there, and check out the description. I'm going to put all these watches in the description in case you want to buy one. Just click on the link and it'll take you to where you can purchase it. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye. All right. I'm not sure which one to wear this video.
Ooh, wear the G-Shock you will.
You know, everything you say sounds ridiculous, right?
Ooh, catch me outside you will.
Whoa. That escalated quick.